Pizza perfect. That looks amazing, Pip.
Blasta.
Can you really teach us how to make a pizza of our own? Just like the one in this recipe book?
Kinja, Georgia. Go on.
Just a little snacking bug before we start cooking.
What do we do first, Pip?
Fair.
Oh, of course. You're supposed to spin the dough.
That looks like so much fun.
And all you have to do is spin it around? Easy peasy.
Yeah, eska peska.
Neil sé éasca péasca, go on. Fair.
I want to try. We can team up, right, Blohin? And make the biggest pizza ever, covered in toppings. Eska peska.
I want to make a really big pineapple pizza with a thin crust.
I want to make an even bigger cheese pizza with a thick crust.
Oh, Biggie Coramach.
This is so much fun.
Oh, Georgia. Neil sé éasca péasca.
Oh no!
Whoa!
Oh, I guess it's not so...
Éasca péasca?
Maybe making pizza is hard.
Or it just looks eska when you do it, Pip, because you have loads of practice.
Nobby borha, Georgia.
Can you show us again, please, Pip?
Kinja via. Ta-da!
Yes! All right, Acordia. Is RTÉjr Learn.
Wait. Maybe we should slow down and follow Pip's directions.
These don't taste sweet to me. These are definitely Sharav.
You must have got a sour one. That happens sometimes.
Pip, are you going to make your famous Fairy Island lemonade?
Oh, please say yes.
Top runner, Georgia.
Too bad. That lemonade is the best thing I've ever tasted. So millish.
I know. Why don't we make our own lemonade? Pip, can we use these lemons?
Kinja.
These are the juiciest, most yellow lemons I've ever seen. Ah, this isn't what lemonade tastes like. It's way too sour.
It's only Sharav because you need to add other ingredients to make it taste sweet. You need something millish. Delicious. This is Pip's recipe. Honey lemonade is a specialty. It's extra millish. Oh, I'm not so sure, Blohin. He always uses lots of lemons. I like it when it tastes Sharav.
Me too. I love sour, as long as it's not too sour. Why don't we split into teams and see who makes the best lemonade?
Yeah!
All right, time to taste test.
nice and sheriff.
So tasty.
Definitely millish.
I could drink lots more, but I'll save it for our customers. Huh?
Bonba, would you like a glass of lemonade?
Oh, Kuramila Mahab Kuan. Sharav.
Is it too sour?
Try ours.
Millish.
Not too sweet.
Maybe we used too much honey.
I think we used it all.
There, here comes an Bonry. She must have smelled the honey. Ooh. She thinks it tastes okay.
Aw.
What did she say?
Oh, she likes it, but it might be a little bit sheriff.
Look, they like both lemonades.
Huh, maybe they like Millish and sheriff.
I guess we can't make lemonade as well as you, Pip.
Blaster.
This is delicious.
Maybe the perfect lemonade is a mix of Millish and Sharav.
1 teapot full of water and a big basket full of snacks. And I baked biscuits as a special surprise. These brisky are really blaster.
Air Rice! We have a surprise for you too. We invited some friends to join us. So our picnic is now a teddy bear picnic.
Linda, oh, be careful with the basket, Kuan. The brisky might get broken.
We can't wait to introduce you to our teddy bears. Snowy is one of my oldest friends. Eriglin.
Flying? What is a teddy bear? Teddy bear. I've no idea.
Meet Snowy and Bruno.
Aren't bears dangerous?
Not at all. Big wild bears might be, but teddies are small and snuggly and make brilliant friends.
So, a teddy is a small bear? Bearing.
Amir, I don't think the fairies have ever seen a teddy before.
Maybe they don't have teddy bears on Fairy Island.
Dear Snowy. Dear Bruno. Go on. Why didn't the Bearini say Diasmar us back? Maybe they're shy. Don't worry. They'll liven up soon.
Now, would you like tea, Kuan?
Leather hull.
Would you like tea, Snowy?
She's still not speaking. These teddy Bearini must be very shy.
Are you hungry, Bruno?
Careful of the brisky, Kuan. Don't worry. Now, who wants an apple? Erwalat Ulfia?
Let a hole.
Erwalat Ul, Bruno? Fia! Why won't Snowy and Bruno talk to us? It's not very nice. How are they your best friends when they're not even friendly?
Huh?
Of course. All the animals on Fairy Island can talk, so the fairies have no idea.
That teddies can't speak.
What? They don't speak at all?
Bearini are better at listening. If you're upset, a Bearine will make you feel much better. Right, Fia?
They're the best huggers around.
Oh, I see. Oh, we understand now, Bearini. No need to chat. Just enjoy some lovely brisky. Oh, no. The Ula must have broken them. Oh.
Láithín, Erwalat Bruno? A hug from a teddy bear might help.
A barrog might be nice. I'm sorry, Blowheen. I broke the brisky. Oh, I feel terrible.
Why don't you tell Snowy about it?
Blowheen spent all morning baking brisky, and I broke them by accident, and now she's sad. Give Snowy a borrow, Kuan. Oh, a borrow from a berry is very warm and fuzzy. The brisky still tastes great, you know, even if they are broken.
Exactly. See, making you feel better is what teddies do best.